Ever wanted to own a piece of that big, fancy office building in Accra, but thought it was only for the super rich? What if I told you that you could and you wouldn't even have to worry about tenants, rent collection, or plumbing issues? That's the power of a REIT, pronounced REIT. It stands for Real Estate Investment Trust. Think of it as a company that owns and manages a portfolio of income-producing real estate. When you buy shares in a REIT, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of all the properties that company owns without the stress of being a landlord. How it works, the simple analogy. Imagine you and a group of friends decide to pool your money together to buy a huge apartment complex. You all own a share of the building, and every month, when the tenants pay their rent, that money comes to your group. A professional manager handles all the day-to-day stuff, and at the end of the year they give you your share of the profits. That's basically what a REIT does. They pool money from many investors to buy, manage and finance different types of properties like apartments, shopping malls, hotels, and even warehouses. The vital facts for you, the beginner investor. 1. High dividends. This is the most important part. By law, REITs must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. This means you can get a steady stream of income from your investment, which is a big deal. It's like a monthly or quarterly rent check hitting your account. 2. Portfolio diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket like buying a single apartment, a REIT gives you a piece of many different properties. If one property has a problem, you still have the others to fall back on. This is called diversification, and it helps reduce your risk. 3. Accessibility. You can buy a share of a REIT just like you would buy shares of any company listed on a stock exchange. This makes it possible for you to invest in a massive commercial property with as little money as you want, removing the huge financial barrier of traditional real estate. REITs are a fantastic way to add real estate to your investment portfolio without the usual headaches and a huge upfront cost. They're a way for you, the average person, to get a piece of the real estate market and earn passive income. If you're looking for a low-stress way to invest in a tangible asset, a REIT might be a great option for you. Let me remind you again that this is not a financial advice. Be sure to conduct your own research first before proceeding. What kind of properties would you love to own a piece of? Drop REIT in the comments section below. Like, share, follow and subscribe for more investment tips from the nerds.